Alright, let me find the tune. 1 for 1. Good fire. I mean, big up everybody in the place and team. You don't know what I want. You see me? Alright, so my first tune. Wait there. So I have myself. The things me I play second, you know. But me now play second. Alright, never draw this a tune now. See that?
Aye, you might don't know Santa Books should be out in the street for the big bad sound, soul, energy, as I would say. Hey, Ashman, pick up your ass, the far right side. I want to go to South London. I want to St. Elizabeth. Oh, yeah. You know. You don't know what them sound they are stressed. I'll take you somewhere them press high. If you must come to this time, you fight them. Go back and best, yes, we used to play some Isla and Alright. But them coming back by in them stars. I already know soul energy them body. Well, country might so be but I who got this strong one. Who with your dirty soul. Who you can't lie. You can't stop the time. Who got this strong one.
Yeah, so the energy. You know what? I can pick up on my junction crew that there, you know. I mean, our junction we come from, you know. And we have to represent junction. You know? And that's how we born and grow. Not disrespecting no other area, but junction of my town. I see right now, I'm not too happy, you know, because I come this, you know, technical and all them things. You understand? But I said, God. Big up all the women if you come to support VIBESQUAD. You know, say, we want to be Empress then. Say, big up the woman over there, so Charlie. Big up money. Big up all the Empress then who come support VIBESQUAD. And we not deal with the man thing, you know. Woman we deal with, you know. Jano. We know how we make supposed to, you know. Alright. Run me first tune, you know.
Yeah, junction massive. All Battersea crew going to make up our word tight. VIBESQUAD, Dr. Bush, Ross Lion, DJ, the sound by no bad like we.
Alright.
Yeah, run track. Can you not say that? Run track.
Yeah, man, big tune. Alright, my second tune. I love them things, you know, brother. I love them. Listen to that tune, yeah. Roger Rabbit, listen to this.
But you don't know this is the original Roger Rabbit when it comes to the sound killing with William Watch, you know. We kill, cramp and paralyze, make a sound recognize, saying can't terrorize, jeopardize, or even compromise. That sound are too wise. Watch, you know. And the original soul energy sounds alongside the original Ashman DJ Rocky, pick up yourself. Also, massive, Brixton massive, love it like that. Sex music massive. Stay sir.
Man brings a dopey, all of a sudden the sound
But you say, that's why you play the whole tune. We can't do that tune, but I know my style still. Wanna move?
Face to face, we're dangerous. Fire! This is Prince on a picture color. Vibe Squad! Me I tell you man, my sound that.
Oh, you play Roger Rabbit?
Sound boy tonight. Give it a rhythm. Me I tell you why. A sound boy you're the victim. No! More fire! Blaze it! Vibe Squad! I'm bad for bad.
Roger Rabbit!
Tell you man,
Prince on up!
now.
One, do the max!
You know! Vibe Squad!
Alright, never play some song. Hear that song, yeah? I love that song, yeah. Hear that song, yeah? Play. Press
Yes, soul energy. And we have pushed the energy, you know.
Follow me.
Ashman, Empress Naya, originally cried passing through, you know. See? Tell him, don't hurt. See? I'm saying, even if I total destruction, not the earth, nor the sea. Oh no, till 140,000 be free. Is earth, not the earth, nor the sea. Some boy, you can't destroy. So
Short and spicy. Come in, VIBESQUAD. Enough respect.
Yo. You can't really do what you want to do, you know. Choose to make a talk, eh? No, if you follow me, you know, do what you want to still. We just a talk. Listen, turn through, squeeze. Hold on, the property. Come again. Ready?
Fight Squad! Big up Dr. Bush, DJ Lee. Talking about a sound weapon. Fight Squad! Big up Dr. Bush, DJ Lee. Rasta Yan. Peter Dre, Baba and the Steps.
Wait, so what's happening?
Yeah. Best, no rest.
This is 1 to 1. Clear time now. Listen to us. Hold on.
Yeah, man. DJ Rocky, play that one, yeah. What on there? Play that.
Can I still in the Dana? Exibition, Massagana, Rastafari, soul energy sound, Rasta love it to the bone. This is Glenn Washington, Ashman, big up energy sound like a champ. Something fans and camped around us, but in soul energy sound, a massive trust. No matter how some media someone comes. Voice on, but we won't let it. Their mind is empty and their heart is full of it. Much down, them better know that soul energy is the champion sound.
Short and sweet.
Wait. Ready again? Wait, say Ricky Stepper, ready again? Alright, come. What you up for them?
Well, this is the A1 one sound, the champion sound, worldwide Vibe Squad sound. Peter Drake, dig up yourself, Brass Lion. Who the future legend again, Junior Bird.
I reckon I tune them still in a sometimes I them tune them with the tape. What we ever do with them? Talk to them.
Yes, man, squad. I thought you said you now play the tune them to the end. And now you play the tune them to the end. Alright, listen to tune them.
Hey, I don't know what you're trying to do, but you can't play the rubber dub sound.
I'll show you the word.
I don't know what you're trying to do, but you play the rubber dub sound. Yo, I am original Ashman. Sin. I'm gonna make up all the massive all the cool St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man, straight, you know. DJ Rocky.
Big up for yourselves, you
Big
don't know.
Star. Sound and National St. Elizabeth massive. Yeah, man, and this is the original Sanchez. But son, hey, Babylon, I got you know, I know why. So tonight, Ashman playing the dubs to metal sounds. Oh, yes. Ashman playing the dubs. Reach out to a drop band. So let me play the dubs just to meditate. So to all the dreams, the rewards will be great. So why won't you leave? So energy alone. You see that we're protected by the Father on his own. He'll never allow you to travel energy down. We are the street office.
Yo.
Coming back, squad.
Alright, Ashley. Wait, what you say? We now play the tune till it done, you know, but when music nice, you know, you have to make it clear. You understand me, brother? See? So you know what? I'm gonna keep your clout and done now. Yeah? See?
Alright.
See? You're dead now, Ash. If we can't find them artists, you have to pop up. Yeah? Play the tune. This one, yes, sir.
DB soundboy, them DB soundboy, mad. Cause I'm gonna check Vibe Squad, you know see? Big up DJ Lee, Brass Lion, Peter Drake, Baba and said, the best in the West by any test. Vibe
Cool.
Check Vibe Squad, you see? Big up DJ Lee, Dr. Bush, Brass Lion, Peter Drake, Baba and said, the best in the West by any test.
Yeah, man, me think I ain't that in a bush. I think I find through that. But respect anyway, because remember, Soul Energy a little 5-year-old sound still, you know. So, no, 5, more than that. 6-year-old sound, so. Me not get to get them through there. Me can't get them through there, you understand?
You sound like SMB now, you know. You are you.
No, we don't sound like SMB, but I tell you facts. I tell you facts. You can't. Yeah, man, big up SMB. No respect. Big up Scorpion sound too. Big up the whole of the sound them. You understand? Big up the whole of the sound them. Especially the sound them where I take part in the thing. You know what I mean? Love, respect, and honor. Love them thing there. One more. I want to take a 5-5. I don't play first, you know. I mean, play first. Yes, a 5-5.
You shouldn't have said nothing. Me wouldn't have said nothing. Me would have played one more. And the 5-5. Yeah. And the 5-5. Cause who play first? Him play first, you play last. I mean, and 5-5. Yeah. You would have wish. I don't want to make up the rules. You understand? Big up everybody inside in the building. Remember this. Beg a little hush there, please, manners and tongues. Yeah? Thank you. Do remember, upon entry, you got a ticket or a token. Yeah? For the sound you support tonight, there is 2 ballot boxes around there, so by the entrance. Yeah? Go and drop your one in to the sound you support for the night. The judges will be doing their job, Mr. Red alongside Mr. Brown. And if it does ever come to a draw, we'll go a little longer and make the people them decide who are going. You understand? But in the meantime, let me tell you something. Select a woman, the resident selected there. See? Resident selector for the night where you go to the ballot box and go and drop your ticket in is Selector Boomer. Go and juggle a little thing now. You have a ticket and you can. Hey, Miss Ali. You understand me? So man them can, whoever the so man them can go and vote for nothing, you know. Let me just get that straight. See? Man has respect about sound energy. Big up yourself. VIBESQUAD family, big up yourself. Big up all ladies and empress and queen that were reaching here tonight. If you have the ticket, hold on. Whoever press some sound effects, keep that down for a little minute, you know. Big up the queen, them and empress, and ladies in the place. Thank you for reaching on you. If you have a ticket, make it count. Simple thing, just go on the entrance and go and do your thing. You understand? Push it in on the ballot box and then we're there. Update on Wayne from Jaguar V12. Our brother Wayne is making progress. He's offered a life support machine and he's responsive. You understand? So let us keep brother Wayne from Jaguar V12 in our prayers. Thank you. You understand? Boomer! I want my brother. I want to play some tune. Income side time is a Boomer medical he goes play. Squeeze.
Yo, squads. Boy, one night.
Yo. Play your sound and level your sound. Microphone way too low. Level.
When you told me we run at the back, me and you have cheating luck. No man gotta work and now come back. We get what you are, but we know what's at that. Level. Tight and don't let me go. Wine with me and me wine with you. Secret love would feel good song.
Select up who will go and play some tune right now.
Don't let me never them see you. James Screechy and MTV skill. Don't tell nobody call me man feel. No me I could love off the wine that we give. Meet me run at the almond tree. Jump the back fence, come in here back crib. I can make you fly like the bird and the bee. Good love me can't guarantee. Come meet me round at the front of the yard. Come put it on me, make me scream and ball.
Yeah, operate yourself. Operate yourself, not chatting thing. People still up here. Come on, please, Joe.
Give me the girl in the demand, I don't know nothing bring me the fantasy. Can't don't me real fantasy. Girl up step like over the fantasy. They go pound, son, but I'm son. They don't want to go start of them. Sex when you speaking one like the fantasy. Pop strong like the rock at your girl. First we go mix Papa Roots, we say we got the manta. Put out the assault. Girl want to marry me, take me to the altar.
Check. I guess I did. Alright. People remember the violent part. Resident selector is something right now, yeah? Alright then.
Show
baby, baby, give a fuck. Got the kill each other. If you know the man, you can be on my dog. If you don't know, what's up with the love, slow man.
Shake easy. Big up selector, big up yourself. Big up everybody inside of the building. You know, it's that time of the night where you have to make a little announcement. Jesus Christ, forgotten in the building. Long time I don't say be forgotten in the building, you understand? So here one. Soul Energy Vibe Squad is come to that time. And before going any further, I big up all the people, manners and respect. Do remember this is a full package. Keep on with the support. Now, Mr. Mark, I need you to make this announcement. Yes, sir, yeah.
Greetings, one and all. Alright, we're gonna read out the votes. But first of all, I want to big up the two sounders because they both done a good job tonight. So please make a noise for the two sounders. Alright, so upon hearing the judges' votes, and I'm not going to say which judge voted for who because I don't want to judge them get under fire, you know? But basically, one judge voted that Soul Energy won the R&B round. That same judge said Soul Energy won the Revival round. And that same judge said Soul Energy also won it for quality. Yeah? And that judge gave 1 for 1 and the Anything Goes Round to VIBESQUAD. Yeah? So the next judge now, he gave the R&B round to Soul Energy. He gave the sound quality to Soul Energy, but he also gave the other 3 rounds to VIBESQUAD. That makes it a draw by the judges. And so it boiled down to the nitty-gritty, which was you, the people then, who voted, and the vote ballot box has been counted. And the votes are... Well, no, that's speculate. No, I only have to say. So, alright, now the crowd voted 62 to VIBESQUAD, 48 to Soul Energy. VIBESQUAD take it, but Soul Energy, give it the proud, they come very close. VIBESQUAD, my brothers, they do me proud, the down well brothers. It was very close. This is the closest one we've had so far, you see me? So, you see, they're too quick. So this is what we as the management have decided now. Through the vibes from the two sounds then, we do believe the 1 for 1 was kind of short, but we'd like to hear 1 for 1 little more until we're done. Who agree, say yeah? No, I'm not hear that. Who agree, say yeah? That's something we could get.
Yo, so you know what we call now? Should the vibes nice? And before it done, we don't know further ado, you know. We have to play 1 for 1 before it done, you know. I mean, I want you to play the tune them too long. Make the people them feel nice and keep it spicy. Yeah? How you mean? You tell me that? Bush, you come now. 20 minutes. Keep it nice and spicy. Not play it too long. May I leave it to honor. Have some respect and love and vibes in the place. Manners.
Soul Energy, respect, manners. When you say 1 for 1, I don't really want you in the box door, the clever.
Yo, VIBESQUAD.